Hello.
Jumbo.
Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili in
10 minutes.
hopefully less than 10 minutes with
Fresh Ball 11.
and Fresh Mommy. Fresh Bro 8 is not available to do the video right now, but we wanted to continue recording, so we are gonna go ahead and do a quick recording for you. And I thought maybe we can go back and review some basic stuff. Again, we are now using my Fun Swahili book of things. VITU, if you don't have your copy, please go ahead and get yourself a copy from Amazon so that you can learn along with us. So right at the beginning of this book and also the book of activities is we talked about the Swahili alphabet, the vowels, and then the syllables. And the reason we cover this is because they will help you to be able to read Swahili, talk Swahili, and be able to understand Swahili. So you want to practice your syllables as often as possible.
Yeah.
Now, for the Swahili alphabet, they're almost the same as English, except they're missing which letters do we not have in Swahili? We don't have
X or Q,
and we don't
or
have
C
U.
never appears by itself.
C never appears by itself. So if there's a C, there has to be an H with it for the
Wait.
sound. So we never ever have a C by itself in Swahili. Okay? So X and Q are missing. Now so the rest of the alphabet is the same. Can you quickly give them the alphabet here?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, J, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, U, V, W, X.
All right, and then the vowels are the same as the English vowels. And what are the vowels?
A, E, I, O, U, or A, E, I, O.
What are they?
A, E.
No, there's not A, E in Swahili, so it's A.
No, I'm saying the letters. I'm saying
Right.
the letters, not the pronunciation.
Let's say the pronunciation.
Okay. A, E, I, O.
A, E, I, O, U, right? So whenever you see letter A in Swahili, it's always pronounced as A, like alligator. If it's E, it's like egg, like egg, elephant. If there is an I, it makes like the two double E sound, which is E, like teeth or sick, right? If there's an O, it's like O, like octopus or October only, and so on and so forth. Hey, you're gonna swallow me. Alright, and then U is like two double O's, like the word pool,
Or
book, and so on and so forth. Again, the U in Swahili never sounds like A, like umbrella, and it never sounds like U, like unicorn. It's always like U sound, like U, like pool, book, tooth, and so on. All right, so hopefully you get that. Another tip in Swahili is that the vowels have only one sound. They never have a different sound. Again, that's why we are saying like U is always U, A is always A. It's not like A and then A. We don't have that in Swahili, so it's the same exact sound. Then if you have two different vowels, you have to pronounce them like toa, which means to move. You have an O and an A, you have to pronounce those vowels out. We have letters M and N can also be like vowels. You pronounce them by themselves, like T for a tree, T for a person, Zuri when you're saying something good, and so on. All right, you get it? You good? All right, awesome. So what we are going to do is help the people who are learning with the syllables in Swahili. We did add a few more syllables in this book. We did add a few more syllables to help them with the syllables. So please practice. The more you practice, the easier it will be to read the words in Swahili. The easier it will be for you to pronounce the words in Swahili. And another yawn. It's clearly nighttime. So, all right, it's usiku. That's right. All right, beautiful. So we are gonna do the syllables again. for us when we were learning Swahili for the first time. We had a lot of fun doing the syllables. So we hope you have a lot of fun as you practice them. Okay, so let's go. A, E, I, O, U. Then ba, be, bi, bo, bu. Da, de, di, do, do. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. La, le, li, lo, lu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Pa, e, pi, po, pu. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Sa, se, si, so, su. Ta, te, ti, to, tu. Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Perfect. All right. So those are the two. Sound what?
Like auto-tune.
Like auto-tune.
We were singing at the same time.
All right. So those are the 2-letter syllables. We have the 3-letter syllables, and some are even more than that. So we are gonna go through them as well.
There's 4.
Some, yeah, like ndua.
There's like 1 here.
Right. There's
1 here.
nyua. Which one do you form with nyua? Unyua. Very good.
Ndwa is
Like if somebody is
Shindwa.
Jeez. High five. Which means what? Shindwa means like somebody is defeating you. You're being defeated, or the person is
Shinda's
being
win.
right. Shinda and Shindwa is, you're winning or you're being winning against you. All right, perfect. So let's do the syllables. So again, as you can see, that's how those syllables are applied. All right, beautiful. So 3-letter syllables. Let's go. This is where we used to do the syllables. The syllables. We can't even know what it's right. Do the syllables. Do the syllables.
Do what you get. So when you take a word apart, count the syllables, clap it out. This is how you work the syllables. It's done.
All right.
It's done.
Boa,
Wait.
we, wo, pu. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Da, de, di, do, du. Va, ge, gi, go, gu. Qua, que, qui, quo, pu. Bam, bem, bi, bom, bu. Moi, we, mi, mo, mu. Da, de, di, do, du. Wan, we, wi, wo, du. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Nga, nge, ni, ngo, mu. I know that's a difficult one. Again, nga, nga, nge, ni, ngo, mu. Nya, nye, ni, nyo, nyu. Moi, nwe, nui, nyo, nyu. Sha, she, shi, sho, shu. Da, de, di, do, du. Twa, twe, twi, two, two. Via, via, vi, vio, view. Again, please take a moment to practice the syllables. The more you practice, the easier it will be for you to learn Swahili.
And then you'll be pro at it. Then you'll be elite at it. Then you'll be God.
You'll be what?
God.
What are the levels
You'll
again?
be able to say that.
You're gonna be pro.
Elite. God.
In Swahili?
Yeah.
Wow, awesome. Well, we hope everybody becomes.
Elite is like reading.
What level are you? I think I would say yeah. I think you'll say you're not good at reading. No, not yet. But you're pretty good.
I'm pretty good.
I'm
pro.
Pro?
I mean,
not even elite?
A little elite. Like God is like reading the Swahili chapter. A whole paragraph in Swahili is like 1 minute.
Yeah.
Without making any mistakes.
Even I can't read without making mistakes. Awesome. So that's all we're gonna cover for tonight. Something simple. Practice. What do you say?
Subscribe.
yeah, subscribe, comment the video. Remember you used to say comment the video?
Yeah. Comment the video.
So
Panda the video.
right, panda the video, comment, and let us know how we're doing. Let us know what you're learning, and so if you comment, we can even give you a shout out. All right, and get yourself a copy of the book, and
It's out.
we'll see
And
you
it's
next
the
time.
same price.
Yeah.
I think. I don't know.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Kwaheri.